Hey there, Andy Petoskey here, and welcome to my top 10 affirmations for successful entrepreneurs. Today we are on affirmation number 6. Now, if you missed the previous affirmations, just click the link above and that will subscribe you to my channel and you can check out the other affirmations. So today again, affirmation number 6 is be a problem solver. Successful business owners or successful entrepreneurs, they welcome problems because those are opportunities to help others. Those are the opportunities to use skills that you've learned along the way and help other people. You know, that's kind of, I've seen the definition of entrepreneur as problem solver. So you want to help people solve their problems. So what does that mean? Well, embrace problems. Look at problems as an opportunity for you as an entrepreneur to help other people. Because this is the thing, if you help other people, they're going to keep coming back and coming back and coming back to your website, your blog, your videos. If you are a problem solver, people are going to follow you. You will create this following where people are going to want to see what you're doing and how you're doing it. I mean, think about this. What do people do when they go to Google if they're having a problem? They type in how to solve this, how to do that, how to do this. So affirmation number 6 that successful entrepreneurs use or follow is be a problem solver. Andy Petoskey here. Hope you enjoyed today's affirmation. Look for affirmation number 7. That video will be coming soon. Have a great day.